Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to install the Zoho Mail app on your smartphone. So let's get right into it. First, unlock your phone and open the App Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Navigate to your search engine and type Zoho Mail. Locate the official app and tap on it. Make sure it's by Zoho Corporation. Now tap the install button on Android or get on iPhone. Wait a few seconds while it downloads. Once the installation is complete, tap open. If you already have a Zoho Mail account, just log in with your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can tap sign up and create one right inside the app. And that's it. You have successfully installed the Zoho Mail app on your phone. Now you can check emails, organize folders, and reply on the go. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more Zoho tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.